welcome to Sma-trendz. Today we're going to be making some mixed vegetable curry. That's so good. So you're going to add 2 teaspoons of oil in a big frying pan. And you're going to add a few ginger garlic pieces. Make sure they're all getting all fried up in there. Make sure they're everywhere too. So you just keep moving them around for a while until they get all nicely fried up. And then next you're going to add a few chopped onions. So you're going to mix them all up, mix them all out. And you can see there's some delicious chopped onions. And this curry is super delicious because it has tons of vegetables in it, and I love vegetables. Next, you're going to add 2 to 3 medium-sized chopped tomatoes. So these are the first 3 main ingredients. You're just going to fry them until they kind of turn into a curry. They won't really turn into a curry, but they'll just kind of look like it. So they're all getting fried up. So as you can see, it turned into a kind of looking curry. So this is where the main thing comes in. You're going to add a few 8 to 10 soaked almonds. And you're not going to really chew them because you're going to turn them into paste. Next, you're going to add 2 teaspoons of oil. Then you're going to add a half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next, you're going to add a small cinnamon stick broken up. And finally, last but not least, you're going to add some chili powder. After you added it, you're going to just fry everything around. Looks like some melted badam. And you're going to add your tomato-onion paste into it. So this is the batter. Well, it's not technically the batter, but it's our main mixture. This is basically the curry. You're just going to add some vegetables into it and turn it into a vegetable curry. You're going to add chopped potatoes, carrots, cauliflowers, and green peas. Yum. I love all of these. Next, you're going to add half cup of curd. If you have sour curd, it will make the taste a bit better. You can also add some extra vegetables if you'd like. The more vegetables, the merrier. The vegetables is the main reason of this curry. Next, we're going to add 1.5 cup of water. Now it's starting to turn into a curry. You're just going to mix it around, and you're going to add some turmeric powder to give it that good color. So just make sure to mix everything and make sure it all spreads evenly. Next, we're going to close the lid and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes in medium flame. Now we're going to take the lid off, and you can see a puff of steam exploding in your face. You're going to add some salt, and you're going to add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. When you see that puff of steam, you'll know that it's nicely boiled. Next, you're going to add some Kasoori Methi powder. Make sure to grind it in your hands before adding it. Make sure to spread everything around because the mixed vegetable curry is ready to serve. Yum, it's so delicious and so yummy and so good. I just love it. Don't you guys? It's so good and it's ready. So mix it in your rice or eat it with chapati and enjoy. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.